built this contraption today, which looks like a car. Somebody might have the controls. Somebody might be the target. Go.
It tickles so much.
Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her!
It tickles so much.
Entirely Legos. It's really awesome. It's really fun. You can see the battery pack, classic Lego battery pack, and right here is the remote control. Oh well, that didn't make this very easy. You can see please. You can see the remote and the classic Lego connectors, and we got a red side and a blue side. And then if you look at the remote control here, you can see there's a red side and a blue side, which is pretty cool. So classic tank tread controls and blah blah blah. And it is a ridiculous amount of fun. It does wheelies.
My turn.
And Clara loves it. Giggly girls and remote controlled Legos. Is there anything better in life? Other than surprising Mama while she's in the bathroom with a remote control car. Oh, I'm being assaulted.